Now, before I go any further, I want to quickly show you the blueprints that I'm going to be talking about in this course. So there's a few steps for this blueprint. The first step is to create a video. And this is not just any video. The video that you're going to be creating for YouTube is going to be a video that has a good chance of going viral and a good chance of generating a lot of traffic. Now, it's not guaranteed, but there are a few things you can do to make sure that you create a hit video. Okay, so I'll be talking about that in this course. The next thing that you want to do is to direct that traffic to a funnel. So in the description field of your video, you're going to want to put a link to your funnel. Okay, if you don't know what a funnel is, it's basically a process that a lead or a customer goes through. So for example, the first page of the funnel could be a page offering a free gift, and in return for the free gift, the lead has to give you their email address. So they fill in their email address and they subscribe into your list. And the next step of that funnel would be where they would be offered an upsell or be presented with an affiliate offer that you're promoting. Okay, so basically you're going to be generating leads and sales from that funnel. And then once you have these leads, you could promote affiliate products to them on a daily basis or a weekly basis, depending on how comfortable you are promoting or emailing your list. Me personally, I email my list every day and it provides me with a daily income. Okay, so that's the blueprint for you. In the following videos, I'm going to get into more detail on how to do these steps.